So why do I believe that ChatGPT isn't worth paying for anymore? Well, stick around to the end to find out. Hi, I'm Henry and I'm from Product Creation Formula. And here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, how about you smash the like button, as well as subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Alright guys, let's go check it out. Okay, so let me just get straight to the point and tell you the first main reason I have chosen to drop and not pay for ChatGPT anymore is because it literally does not have the plugins from the 9th of April, which is coming up very rapidly. So because they're not using plugins, which I love, there are some that I actually think are worth the money for me to actually invest in this. I don't see any other reason for really needing to be paying for that. You see, let me just show you. I'm just going to go over here to ChatGPT 3.5. Now, before I go into this part here, let me just show you this. This is something I just had run something up. I said, want to write a long essay about how to use AI to make money online, break it down. Yeah, and then I basically wrote that little bit just there, and it did. It wrote a rather long essay. When it got up to about there, and then I just said continue, and it continued. And it looked like it created a very good option, and the amount of information I got from here was absolutely amazing. So ChatGPT 3.5 is ample if you're just wanting some basic stuff. And really that's all I'm wanting to do right now. Now let's have a look at the upgrade to Plus, and we'll have a quick look at what it offers. Okay, so access to GPT-4, our most capable model, browse, create, and use GPTs, and access to additional tools like 𝗤𝗏, browsing, advanced data analysis, and more. The thing is, there's not much and more besides that. Now, when it comes to 𝗤𝗏, well, I just found that you can actually get some free access to 𝗤𝗏 if you go to OpenAI/feed. And look at what it brings up. There's all these different things that you can actually create an image here. For example, this one here, I've already got something just there. Let me just click on that and let's just hit enter. And basically what I've done was I've asked it to create an image of a cartoon image of a computer. I should say a website. It's still creating, so it's just still thinking. So give it a moment and it will create the cartoon image of the website. Here it comes. And in just a moment it'll create this for me and it'll be fine. So there we are, we got this one, which is not great. Let's try that again. All I'm going to do is just hit enter again and let it recreate this again. Now of course it's inside a queue of other ones that are getting done at the moment. So okay, there might be a slight lag and a slight delay, but that's okay. If you're getting it for free, who cares? Right, so this one here, let's just get this again, hit enter and let it do its thing. Take that to the end. And in just a moment, there we go. So I've created the computer with a website in it, and that's exactly what I wanted. Now, if you don't like that particular one and you want to go for something else, there's always Leonardo AI. And this is really cool. It's app.leonardo.ai AI generations, and you can create all sorts of wonderful images using this one, and it's also free. You're given 150 credits per day, and you can either have it where it creates individual images one at a time, usually creating individual images. So as you can see, I've got ones here. Now this one here, I got it to create a robot with the TARDIS over here, and the same as these ones. And yeah, these ones are really good. This one here didn't have a TARDIS, but the rest of them did. So yeah, so I don't really need 𝗤𝗏. Now you can also get access to the web. We'll just get rid of that for 1 second. If you have a particular plugin, if you get this particular one, which is
tools.𝗬𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 web ChatGPT/install, you can get a Chrome installation that you can put up here, and then that will automatically give you access to the internet. So let's just click on this for 1 second, and then click on that. And as you can see, it will, I'll start a new chat with those turned on, and you'll be able to see what I'm talking about. So it gives you heaps and heaps and heaps of prompts that you can choose from, and you can also have it go straight to the web as well. So we can click on that to get rid of the prompts, or if you want to have a whole bunch of prompts, you can use those, and they can also look up links for you, and it'll something you can just copy and paste and put into your browser. And let's have a look over here. Let's find something. Human style rewriter. Okay, let's go here. And we hit run prompt. Okay, so it's now going to go writing something up, and with links and everything already connected up to it. So to be quite honest, I don't really need to have access to ChatGPT 4.0 because it's really just not that necessary. Okay, it is running a little bit slower because there must be a lot of traffic right now on the internet using it, but that's okay. If you don't mind that sort of thing, that's okay. Now, if it becomes a bit of an issue where it's taking too long and I have to constantly refresh the page, if it becomes a real issue, I will probably look at repurchasing it again, but that'll be the only reason why. That, or I'll just wait a little bit later when the traffic has died down a bit and do it then. So, to be perfectly honest, that is the only reason. So it's really, to be quite honest, I don't really need this. Look at what I wrote earlier. And this was all quite easy to do. Came up really quickly. There wasn't any major issues. And besides, the only real reason to be quite honest, I got into paying for ChatGPT was the plugins. Nothing else. My favorite plugin was, in fact, the one that created PowerPoint slides for me. And I found that to be a really, really amazing, powerful tool. Now, if you have a reason why you'd like to keep it, why you'd like to keep paying for it, $20 a month, please leave it down below. I mean, you may tell me something I never even considered. But for me, I just don't see the point or the worth or the value seeing they're taking away the plugins on the 9th of April. So that's the reason why. So, okay guys.
If you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing, and also leave a comment down below and let me know if you're going to continue paying for ChatGPT, and if you are, let me know why. Also let you know, right here is a video I believe you might like. Down here is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And right here is an image of my head. Now, if you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.